inside big enough to be a room.
Part 20 of my solo cross-country ride on my Tiger. I'm riding the spectacular Avenue of Giants in California. A 31-mile ride through the majestic redwoods. Some over 300 feet tall. I'm going on to the Avenue of Giants. It's an information sign. I am where? South End here. Okay, so I'm assuming next exit. And then I'm the black line. Yay! I was told this exit is a little bit tricky to find sometimes. Avenue of the Giants. That is the Eel River, which I think the Avenue of the Giants passes along. Chimney tree. What is this? I'm gonna stop here.
Of a redwood that has the inside big enough to be a room. This is called the chimney tree. I don't really know what way to put the camera to get this. So that's out the top of the tree. This was hit by lightning. But the insides of many of these trees are hollow like this with a opening that you can get into. So that part's not unusual. And then the side, they made a little window. Well, I guess I was already there. They accentuated it. So yes, I am inside the tree. So you see there's the ground. I am below the ground, and they put concrete in the bottom. But normally this would be dirt. And some stairs down, a cute little door.
I had a good burger at this place. It was yummy. And I saw the chimney tree. This tree to my right is the chimney tree. The big one, right there. And it got hit by lightning. So the top of it is off. It's hollow inside, like most of the redwoods. And yeah, very cool. That's kind of cool. And here we go into the redwoods. Awesome. Miranda. Big, cute little town. I keep saying that. Half a mile on my left. Alright, I'm assuming it's a grove. There we go, Humboldt. Cool car. Cool car. Beautiful. Alright. Oh, there. That's kind of a last minute-y. Hi, doggy. Wow, look at these trees. Whoa, cool. Giant trees are always cool. And look at those. Wow. I am on the Avenue of the Giants in California. This is parallel to Highway 101. Wow, these trees. This is just super cool. It did warm up a bit. I'm not sure if that's just because I'm inland and out of the wind. It actually warmed up. It is 75 out now, which is still perfect. Alright, there is another grove. Is that it? Oh, there's a tree with a hole in it. Cool. Alright. I think that's a little river down there. Let's go see. What is here? Okay. So you can see the size of the tree compared to my bike. Bike takes up, a third of that tree, maybe half of that tree. And then of course the height, a whole other story. Wow. Beautiful.
The Avenue of the Giants, super cool road in California. The giants being the trees. So here is another example of a tree that's too wide to fit on my phone. I backed up, but that has a whole little cave kind of thing happening. And as you can see, it does go down. Let's see if I can show this. The forest floor is here, and it does dip down a little bit. That's just natural, how it goes. And the inside of the tree. So as this tree gets bigger, inside gets bigger. We got rooms happening. Very cool. This is a little grove. There's many groves here that you can stop in. Stop, explore, whatever. And I don't know why, there doesn't seem to be many people in them. Just fine with me. My bike. So compare the size of the bike to the tree. Yeah. Big trees. Just went for a pretty little walk in the redwoods off of one of the many parking spots on the side of the Avenue of the Giants. So not very far down the path, as you can see, in the parking lot, and go to a pretty stream. It is beautiful here. I think I keep saying that like 1,000 times, but it really is. The trees, the temperature, I mean, everything's just perfect. I really lucked out. I think we've been getting some rain in the area. I've had no rain, nice sun, no wind in the trees. So yeah, perfect. Really enjoying this. Taking my time. Heck, time to get back on the road.
Another grove at the Avenue of Giants. River below. In Myers Flat on the Avenue of Giants. Drive Thru Tree. Another drive through tree place. Alright, let's check this out. I am at the Shrine Drive Thru Tree Auto Park, which is in Myers Flat. Oh, my map's going to keep talking to me. I did pay, so I'm assuming I follow the signs. Drive through a tree. It's down there. I don't want to get in the guy's picture. Did you want to go? Very cool. And I'm going to see if I can stop and get a photo. My bike. Let's see. Popping out the other end. It's probably good.
Want to get a picture of you?
Yeah, if you could. Thank you.
See what you think. Where are you from?
From Canada.
Oh wow. Oh, it's your heart.
Yeah, yeah. Where are you from?
Gainesville, Florida.
Oh, okay, nice.
Campbell.
Nice, yep. Same with me. That's why I have all the stuff.
Have fun, safe journey.
Thanks for the photo. The drive-through tree. Very cool. Oh, it's all hollow up there. Didn't even notice that. Going through it. Awesome. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Oh, exit that way? Okay. Very cute. Made little houses for the kids to play in. Yeah, these tree roots are lots of fun. Oh man. Probably should have stopped for that one. A little roller coaster ride here. Alright, I'm learning, I'm standing up. Little birdie. And that was fun. Thank you. Okay, did the drive-through tree. Woohoo! The touristy thing that kind of everybody needs to do. In the redwoods. Because they are giant. And back in the middle of the redwoods. Wow, it's beautiful. I could, watch it here all day. And not get tired of this. For many days. And not get tired of this. What side of the road is it on? Is that it? Cool. That was nice of them to pave this, because I've got to say, those, not needles I guess, I'm not sure what they are from the trees, are slippery. Pretty cool. Nope, I saw that kind of the last minute. Big tree root in the road. There's another big hole in the tree. Like a little doorway to Narnia kind of thing. Founder's Grove. This area is slightly different because the forest floor is green here, which is kind of cool. Alright, people go. That's fine. Another beautiful grove. These trees are just amazing. Well, that was lucky. I was going through the parking lot when my SD card got full. So I just had to park and change it. So I did not miss a thing. Oh, lots of people down there. Alright. Eureka Avenue of Giants. Yes, that's what I want. Okay. It is chilly in the shade. I wonder if it's probably chilly on the freeway. Okay. Cement is off on the road. Red crust. Oh, another bike. Burrow. Yeah. Burlap. Roll, what they call it. Lots of bikes on this road, which is awesome to see. Actually, I've seen a ton of bikes yesterday and today.
Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment below. Click the notifications bell and you'll be notified for my next video. I'm going to continue riding north, switching over to Highway 101. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.